red and blue, cut through the lane. I was just driving home on a wet black street, then the mirror lit up and it swallowed me. Hands on the wheel, like a prayer made small. He said, step out slow. I said I did not fall. The cuffs bit tight in the rain and shame. They spoke in calm, but they took my frame. They counted on silence. They counted on silence. The camera saw everything. The camera saw everything. I learned the truth. I learned the truth. I learned the truth. The law belongs here too. The law belongs here too. Concrete cell in a sleeping light. I heard my breath in the dead of night. The report did not match what my eyes had seen. One line bent hard to keep the machine. So I read the books under a dim white glow. The words stood up where the fear had grown. Every form I filed was a nail in the wall. Every sworn word made the weak part crawl. They counted on silence. They counted on silence. The camera saw everything. The camera saw everything. I learned the truth. I learned the truth. I learned the truth. The law belongs here too. The law belongs here too. They wanted me broken down, quiet, ashamed. So I studied the names, the deadlines, the clauses, the record. I learned to document, to witness, to persist. No begging, no rage, just proof. The printer ran through the night like a small faithful machine, and every affidavit became another crack in the wall. They counted on silence. They counted on silence. The camera saw everything. The camera saw everything. Now we study, now we file, now we file, now we stand, now we stand in truth. No more begging, no more fear, no more fear. The people hold the law. The people hold the law. Rain on the street, but the sky has changed. One quiet file at a time.